just look so spicy. Middle part, beautiful. Flip over. Pick a side, baby. Pick a side. Alright, so this is the hair that I'm using, both synthetic and also some human boho curly hair. So this is in the color number 30 and this is in the color 350. It's 20 inches and it is deep wave bulk human hair. And this is how they look together. No, it's not spot on, but I'm working with what I have to tell the truth, and we're gonna make it do what it do, baby. Okay. Real quick, I'm showing you how I section off my hair, starting off with a middle part. Okay, so here are the two middle braids. That's for the individuals. And I'm just gonna roughly section these two sections because this is a freestyle. Alright, now something like this for my guide. Okay, so here's my section. So I will go ahead and do my middle braids first. All right, y'all, so middle row complete. This took me about a good 4.5 hours. Took a little minute. I was not expecting that, but that's okay. It just took me a little break and now we're ready to move on. And this is how much hair I have left from the first bundle. So I guess it's safe to say this is almost one full bundle of the human curly hair. So I'm just gonna start in the front. I'm not really gonna talk. I'm just gonna make sure everything meets back up to the middle. I don't even know what I want to do. Okay, so the freestyle is freestyling, baby. It looks so good. But the fact that I still have this section, that section, that section, this section, that section. I don't know. Let's proceed. Oh, this is nice. I love it. So cute. And it's long. Okay. Now I'm going to do this side. I'm not even going to try to copy it. I'm just going to braid in my 3 sections how I did over here. Alright, take me like a good little hour break. And then I'll finish. What time is it? It's 8:50. So this took me about 3 hours. Okay, y'all, so all done. This is how much hair is left from the second bundle. I still have one more left, so I used 1.5 packs of the human hair. And then this is how much hair is left from the second bundle of the braiding hair. So I guess you can say I used 1.5 packs of the braiding hair. And this style took me about 11 hours. I was at about 5 hours just to braid the middle individuals. About 3 hours each on each side. Before I do my makeup, I want to show you guys what it looked like without makeup, because I did get a comment on my last video asking how did I like a style without makeup. So, you know, here it is without makeup. Gorgeous. The color on my skin, on this melanin, is popping. Middle part, beautiful. Flip over, gorgeous. Pick a side, baby, pick a side. Middle part eat, like, make me not even want to show it, but okay, so here's the finished look. I did it so full. It looks so good. Like, you would not know that this side has a mohawk as well. Like, you would not know until I flip it. It's so full. And look at the curls up close. Beautiful. And the color, oh baby, I love this color so much. It's perfect for fall. Okay, I'm sure the black will look good too. Even blonde will look good. I just had that burgundy hair, I know that will look good, but this ginger, I just look so spicy. Alright you guys, so that's all for this video. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this look, and would you give it a try? All right.